In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a Google Doc in Canva. If you're looking to enhance your Google Doc with visuals or simply want to use Canva's creative tools to bring your document to life, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right into the steps. First, we're going to navigate to Canva. Once you're on Canva's homepage, locate the Projects tab on the sidebar of your dashboard. This tab is your hub for managing all your existing designs, and it's where you can create something new. Simply click on Projects, and you'll be taken to a page that displays all your previous work and options for a fresh start. Now, to bring your Google Doc into Canva, we need to click on the Add New button, which you'll find at the top of the Projects page. This button is essentially your gateway to bringing new content into Canva. Upon clicking it, you'll be presented with several options. Our aim is to bring content from an external source, so you'll want to select the option labeled Import from App. Canva makes it seamless to integrate external documents with this feature. By selecting it, you'll see a list of supported third-party services you can import from. Among those options, you'll need to click on Google Drive. When you select Google Drive, a new window will appear, prompting you to connect your Google account. If you're not already signed in, you'll be asked to enter your login information. This particular step is crucial because it grants Canva permission to securely access your Google Drive files. Once you've given the necessary permissions, begin browsing through your Google Drive to find the document you wish to import. You've got a lot of files? Not a problem. Make use of the search bar by typing in the document's name to locate it quickly. After you've found your document, select it by clicking on it. Then look for the Upload button on the screen. Click Upload to start importing your Google Doc into Canva. The upload should only take a few seconds, and once it's done, you're all set for the next phase. You'll find your document now imported and available to open in Canva. Open it, and you'll see your Google Doc beautifully displayed within a Canva project window. Here is where the creative transformation happens. With Canva's extensive range of design tools, you can add images, customize text, and incorporate graphics that complement your document's content. The fun doesn't stop there. You can begin editing your document in Canva just like any other design. Adjust the text size, change fonts, or use visuals to upgrade your document from plain to visually captivating. Canva's intuitive interface makes editing straightforward, so refining your imported document for any purpose, be it a presentation, infographic, or something entirely new, is easy and enjoyable. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully imported and started editing a Google Doc within Canva's creative platform. Enjoy the new dimensions of creative freedom Canva offers. Remember, your document can always be further modified or exported as needed. Happy designing!